So now we're going to do the pod layout. First thing you want to do is change your layer from this purple one to the geometry. So you go change from old layer to geometry and you hit OK. Left click to select a line, right click to change it. And then after you do that, you want to offset the part out by 0.125. Hit OK. Go up here to user layers. Go to active for new top. Offset. OK. Left click on the line, and then you want to go somewhere on the outside of the part. So you'll have this, and you just left click outside the part. You have a blue line outside, green line inside. Next you want to set your material layer, which is the blue line you just made. So you click on set materials. Down here it'll show you the command. Click on the blue line. For material top, you want it for 3 cm you want it to be 1.2, 2 cm you want it to be 0.8, 4 cm you want it to be 1.6. So it's 3 cm, so we'll go 1.2. Very first one always has to be the main. The remaining parts on the table will be additional. And it changes it from the blue line to gray line. Now to ease confusion, we'll turn that layer off, so you go back to your user layers, scroll down to materials, and then you unselect show, and it makes it go away. So the next thing you want to do is break the part into your various segments. So you have profile, you have wall, and you have a freestanding stove. So what I do is I hit F2. F2 activates a snap command. So sometimes if you don't have it active, you won't be able to snap it to the line, but if you hit F2, if I can get it to do it, there, you get a white dot. That means it's going to snap it right to there. And it looks like we may have an issue here. Have to deal with. We might have to do a fillet there. I'll have to find out. So click there, click there, click there, and this is all left clicking. Click there. Generally, this would have a fillet of. I'll have to find out about the two for doing any radius. If there is a radius going into the stove, you want to break it right before the radius on the profile going into the stove. So the next thing you do is you offset your profile by 1 inch. Creates that blue line for your step groover, and then you can start laying pods. I use copy. So I'll copy this one. Go ahead and turn F2 off. And you'll put it. I go to the outstanding corners to make sure that I'm providing enough support for all of these pieces. If you hit F3, it'll make it go in a straight line. So F3 off, you can go anywhere. F3 on, it's only a straight line, and it just makes it look neater. And there's your pods.